Well guys, we are on to another video, and today's topic is about bundling items for profit. So guys, why bundling an item with your product is necessary is because you have to differentiate your product and stand out from crowd. So adding value to your product is must for your business and to stand out from your competitors, guys. That way you can charge a higher price from other competitors and get better sales and better ranks, which will definitely help you grow your Amazon product and the listing. So how you can bundle something with your product is, let me show you guys. Firstly, let's go to Alibaba and search, type your product that you are going to sell. For example, I will choose confetti balloons. As you can see, we have come to the product page, and some of they may not add something with your product because they are definitely only focusing on the product like balloon only, but you have to ask your supplier that whether they can add something with the product or not, guys. So you have to keep in mind that for example, if you are selling something like balloon, then the matching product with it is ribbon or hand pump. So according to your product, you have to choose what fits best with your product, guys. So as you can see, some of them can bundle this, like the example that I am telling you is balloon with ribbon, or else with like this, guys, this hand pump, like this one. And this type of listing will surely get you sales and will stand out from other guys, other competitors, guys. So keep in mind, you have to put bundle a product that is matching with your current product, and customer finds it suitable with the product, guys. So hope you got idea how you can bundle items for getting higher profits for your Amazon product.